What's up, Wayne Barron here with CFF Coding Source, and today we're inside of my computer. What we're going to be doing is that we need to find out what our map drives are so that we can actually create some folders inside of the drive without having to do it manually. So we're going to come over here, right click on Start Menu and click on Command Prompt Admin. Okay, so once this window loads, we're going to type in net use. And it says new connections will be remembered. There are no entries in this list. But why? As you can see, we have 3 map drives. Okay, so what we do here is that we come over here, right click on the Start menu, go up to Command Prompt without a min. We're going to type in the same thing and hit enter, and there is our map drive. So you have to do it without being an admin, because admin does not have access to these shares. These right here, each one of these shares are part of my domain, the Active Directory. So since they are part of the Active Directory, the admin does not have authority over the Active Directory. I am Wayne Barron for CFF Coding Source inside of Windows. Y'all have a good one now. Bye bye.